te leen golo bi voilà ay léegi bu ko yow bàyyi dox ko mu golo bàyyi ay bu ko non 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 ko jox ko yow wër nga boobu la rey leen bu jox ko sala bi ko comme nit la bu jox ko sala bi yow wër nga ah oh boy, mato ko boy. Maro ko. Billahi maro ko. Wei, 你现在在哪里干什么？上面啊。哦，
FBI agents, parts of terrorism task force, NYPD converged on that apartment building. Now, the media had been knocking on her door since early this morning. In fact, we were here hours before police arrived. FBI agents, parts of terrorism task force, NYPD converged on that apartment building. Now, the media had been knocking on her door since early this morning. In fact,
I appreciate the tenor of the conversations. I think it will actually yield results before the end of the year, and I look forward to continuing this dialogue in the months ahead. Thank you very much, everybody. I appreciate the tenor of the conversations. I think it will actually yield results before the end of the year, and I look forward to continuing this dialogue in the months ahead. Thank you very much, everybody.
Taaza 咋的？啊，好了，马上就到。
呀，要不快点的，好病。
多少钱一条？
Oh! And then so, no purpose in that style. Oh, let's.
No! Fuck! Damn! Fucking it, man.
You know what, Tom? No sex for a month! I swear to see how you play the game after that!
It wouldn't make much of a difference.
God! No, you hate me!
Don't feel bad.
Damn it! Damn it, Tom! I seriously swear to I hate you! Do you know what? You're such a complete asshole! I hate you so much! Learn to use the weapons
jebana szmato pierdolona, mówiłem ci kurwa, jak idziemy na banana, to idziemy kurwa na pierdolonego kurwa banana, nie? I z ciebie kurwa szmato jebana, przejmujemy rundę, ale teraz jak nie będziesz szał, to kurwa wygramy, nie? Bo ja tu jestem kurwa komanderem, ja tu rzucę i chuj. Dobra, ja idę na środek, sam smoka i wbijasz za mną. No wbijaj, kurwa mać, wbijaj! No kurwa, dobry pies. Dobra, no, ja lecę na domek. Gdzie on kurwa jest? No chodź tu szmato jebana suko pierdolona. O kurwa, nie kurwa mać! Co? Chuj z tym!
Co to odpierdalasz?
Gówno cię to obchodzi! Śmieciu, jebany, kurwa mać! Wypierdalaj stąd! Wypierdalaj stąd!
And yeah. Oh my god. I'm sorry, let me do it again. And yeah. Oh, I'll always love you. Oh fuck. Alright. And yeah. Oh, I'll always love you. And yeah.
So I was chatting on AIM with this guy. Supposedly he was from England, and I speak fluent American, so there's a bit of a language barrier, but he knew really good English. Ow, stop biting my toe. So, I was talking to him about, like, this game I wanted, because I was hoping he'd buy it for me, and it was The Sims 3 Generations, and I really wanted that expansion pack for my Sims game, and he said supposedly he wanted it too, and I'm like, well, why don't you get it? And he's like, because it's too much. I'm like, well, how much is it? He's like, it's £15. So apparently there's a bit of a language barrier there, because I asked him how much it costs, not how much it weighs. So a bit of a language barrier, we went over that jump. But the thing I'm wondering is, why does it weigh so much? That's what's confusing to me. Like, does it have to do with where England is located? Like, is it because it's like, I don't even know. Because, like, maybe it's like really close to Jupiter. So, like, if you know the solar system, America is like in the middle, and England is like it's the closest to the sun, I think. So maybe there's a possibility that there's a difference in, like, gravity or something. So, like, £15 is actually really light in England. It's just so confusing. I'm not good with planets, but I think that might be it.